If you're looking to apply for the Costco Anywhere Visa Card, you've made a great choice. This credit card, offered by Costco and Citi, comes with a range of benefits, including cashback rewards for purchases at Costco, gas stations, restaurants, and more. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the application process so you can get your card in no time. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before applying, ensure you meet the following basic requirements. You need to be a Costco member or willing to sign up for membership. You must be at least 18 years old. You should have a valid Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. Step 2. Gather your information. To make the application process smooth, gather the necessary information: your Costco membership number, personal details including your name, address, phone number, and date of birth, your employment status and income details, your Social Security number or ITIN. Step 3. Visit the application page. Head over to the official Costco website or the Citi website where you can apply for the Costco Anywhere Visa Card. Alternatively, you can apply in person at a Costco warehouse if available. Website link: go to the Costco homepage and navigate to the credit card section, or visit Citi's site directly for the application form. Step 4. Complete the online application form. Fill out the online application form with accurate information. The form will ask for your personal details, contact information, and income level. Make sure to double-check your entries before submitting the application. Step 5. Review the terms and conditions. Carefully read through the terms and conditions of the card. Pay attention to the annual percentage rate, APR, fees, and cashback reward structure. Understanding these details will help you use your card wisely. Step 6. Submit your application. Once you've completed the form and reviewed the terms, submit your application. You may be instantly approved, or you may need additional verification. In either case, you'll be notified of the decision within a few minutes to a few days. Step 7. Wait for approval. If approved, your Costco Anywhere Visa Card will be mailed to your address. The processing time may take 7 to 10 business days. Once received, activate your card either online or via the phone number provided. Step 8. Start using your card. Once your card is activated, start earning cashback rewards on your purchases. Don't forget to use your card for everyday purchases and at Costco locations to maximize your rewards. Conclusion: applying for the Costco Anywhere Visa Card is simple and offers many benefits for frequent Costco shoppers. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth application process. Once approved, you'll enjoy cashback rewards and other exclusive benefits with this fantastic credit card. This guide provides you with everything you need to apply for the Costco Anywhere Visa Card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.